Hey there, I'm going to show you the other way to make a GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it, with Tech Bingo. So on Tech Bingo, the first example I gave was how to make it on a Mac, if you saw that first, but it doesn't work for you. I want to show you how to use any other device by using your Google account to help you. Now you can make a GIF which is multiple pictures, and it would just like rotate it like a little slideshow, kind of like the picture of the girl jumping over the high jump or whatever that's called. And that's fine too. But if you wanted to actually make a GIF that rotates, I want to show you how to do that using your Chromebook or a non-Mac tool. So here's the explanation. Again, there is a slide that explains basically what it is. And I want to show you how to make it in Google Drawings. So I'm just going to start off in my Drive. And in your Drive, you can click on the big plus sign and make a new drawing. So when I go to drawing, it'll make a blank document for me. And then I've already found a little turtle that I'm using, and you can use whatever object you want to, and you're going to grab them and drag them onto your page. So I like to make it so that he's as big as he possibly can and fills up as much of the page as possible. So once he is here, I'm then going to go up to File, and I'm going to export it. So you want to download it as a PNG. So here again, you have to pay attention to where you are saving it. It saves it automatically in Chrome or hopefully in your downloads. I'm going to click and just drag him off to the side. And then you can go in and rename him if you want to. Ideally, you rename him in here. I guess I should have done that. I'm going to start by doing that. So name him Top. So once he's named Top, and when you save it, it should automatically update it. So now I'm going to take him and I'm going to rotate him by going to the top little button and click and drag him so that he is sideways. And then I'm going to go to rename him and name him Left, and go to File, Download, and then PNG again. It'll save in your downloads folder. I'm going to grab mine out of my downloads so I can find it on my desktop super easy. I already had a Left, so that's why he got a little cranky. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Grab him, drag him upside down. Make sure he's fit on the entire page. You don't want anything marking off. This time I'm going to rename him to Bottom. Oops, okay. And go to File. Go down to Download. Remember, by downloading it, it makes it a PNG file, which is transparent. I'm going to replace him because I already had one. And then the last time, I'm going to grab him, maybe grab the corner, get him sideways, and put him on the right. And then the last step is to go to File, Download, and make him a PNG file. So feel free to do that at your own pace, but you want to end up with at least 4 files to make your GIF. Once your 4 files are done, you can close out of your drawing or leave him there or whatever you want to do with them, and go back to the Tech Bingo. On Tech Bingo, under GIF-Tastic, excuse me, you're going to click on it. You're going to click on the animated GIF or GIF maker, and it'll take you to this website. This website allows you to choose your files. So I have a right, a bottom. If I hold down Shift on my keyboard, I can do them all at the same time. And I'm going to click on all of the different sections. Once I hit, actually, I'm going to not do this one. And do Open. Once I open, I hit Upload and make a GIF. And then you want to reload, we want to move them in order of the animation that you want. So I'm going to put it the top, the left, the bottom, and the right. Once you do that, you come down. You can fool around with the delay if you want to. I usually like to see what it looks like first. But what you do want to make sure is that you don't stack your frames. Otherwise, you'll get kind of like a hot mess. And then click Make a GIF. And there's my little rotating turtle. Well, once I have them, there's a Save button here. Save them where you'll find it. And then you can go back to your Tech Bingo and go find the GIF-Tastic thing. You can go to Insert, and find your image this way. Or if it's on your desktop like mine or it's attached, I can click and drag it, and there's my GIF. So when you're finished, you should have a GIF on your GIF-Tastic thing. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.